The godfather of AI recently warned that we are entering what could be the biggest job shock year in human history. If you have a career path or a financial plan built around a specific skill you learned in the last 5 years, your current role is likely in the path of this transition. By the end of 2026, the workplace will operate under a different set of rules. We are going to examine the 10 specific jobs AI is positioned to replace by then, the human skills that are actually safe, and the single most effective action you can take today to adapt. Preparing for this shift starts with identifying where these new autonomous systems intersect with your own daily work. To understand why this timeline is accelerating, we have to look at the technological difference between the tools of 2 years ago and the reality of 2026. This diagram illustrates the change. We are moving towards systems operating as agents, architectures with a circular, self-looping workflow that can research, plan, and execute complex tasks without a human providing instructions at every step. This agent architecture places any job based on strict instructions or templates in direct competition with software that executes those same steps in seconds for almost zero cost. We are seeing a transition from mechanical automation to the digitization of structured human thought. The first layer of this disruption hits roles built around scripts, starting with customer support. Modern agents now navigate multi-step logic. They resolve complaints, process refunds, and answer product questions without human intervention. The version of customer support limited to copying information and sending template replies is effectively solvable by software. This visualization shows the next vulnerable category: data entry and basic reporting. As raw data streams automatically consolidate into finalized reports, the manual movement of information from one system to another becomes a redundant task. That same automation applies to administrative coordination. Calendars are managed and emails are sorted by agents, compressing high-volume administrative workflows into automated software. The predictable connective tissue of corporate administration is being absorbed into digital systems. Automation is also moving into basic content creation, standard copywriting, basic translation, and template-based social media management. This infographic maps the difference between what is at risk and what is secure. When writing is limited to generic fill-in-the-blank templates, it enters the danger zone. Deep, voice-driven campaign strategy remains a human requirement. Translation and transcription face the same divide. Standard document processing and simple audio transcription are heavily automated, while complex cultural localization and specialized medical contexts still require human expertise. Social media roles follow this exact pattern. Original campaign execution is valuable, but the rote posting, scheduling, and basic image resizing across platforms are tasks generation tools complete instantly. When the output of a creative job can be accurately mapped to a predictable template, that task belongs to an algorithm. The next tier of disruption reaches white-collar roles previously considered highly secure, including legal document preparation, financial reporting, and basic IT support. Lawyers rewriting standard contract templates or financial advisors compiling publicly available data into reports are performing tasks that AI tools already handle inside large professional firms. This chart compares the processing speed and source aggregation volume of a human junior analyst against an AI agent. For basic research and surface-level information gathering, the agent handles the task with a level of thoroughness and speed that humans cannot match. That same dynamic impacts template-based graphic design. While original brand strategy is a human process, generating standard marketing flyers or presentation decks from an existing template is now an automated task. A white-collar job title offers no protection if the daily work consists of routing surface-level information from one place to another. Security in the coming years is found in roles requiring genuine empathy, complex human relationships, and problem-solving in unpredictable environments. The highest-paid roles in the new economy are those that design, guide, and manage these autonomous systems. To move into that category, take one specific action today. Pick one AI tool in your field and dedicate 30 minutes to learning it seriously. AI will not replace the human worker. It will replace the worker who chooses not to adapt. Build the version of your career that relies on combining human depth and technological speed.